It's Home Expert Week, so why not refinance your home with an expert in the business? Interest rates haven't been this low in years, so right now is the ideal time to qualify for a new mortgage or to refi. Brent Ivinson from Ideal Home Loans has more. Brent, all right, we always like to start off with where the interest rates are right now and why really this is the perfect time for people to jump on them.
Well, they're at their lowest levels we have ever seen. 30-year fixed rates right now, 2.625%, and 15-year rates are in the low twos. So this is one of these opportunities that's been a long time in the making with a lot of sustained data pushing things down. But the slightest bit of optimism is going to send things back up. So as consumers out there, whether you're buying or refinancing, you absolutely want to take care and advantage of these rates before they go up.
So let's also talk about one way that you help people manage debt.
Yeah, we've got this perfect storm right now, right? We've got rates as low as they've ever been. We've got equity at all-time highs, meaning people's homes have gone up at a record rate for the last several years. Now is the time to put that equity to work. You can use that equity to pay off your credit cards. And what that's going to allow you to do is free up enough cash flow that you can pay your mortgage off more quickly. And that's going to save you six figures in payments and interest, paying that home loan off more quickly. Put money in your savings account and get out from underneath that credit card debt. It's all a component of what we're seeing in the market right now. You don't want to miss out on this. Take advantage of this opportunity while it's still available.
Brent, I really like when you explain how Ideal Home Loans is helping your customers.
Yeah, we're a direct mortgage banker. So what that means is we control the entire process in-house. And thanks to a significant investment in our digital technology platform over the last several years, we can work completely remotely from home and serve our clients. So you can do this entire process completely touchlessly if you'd like. And so that allows you to stay at home, stay safe, but take advantage of some of the lowest rates we've ever seen. And since we are a direct lender, we can cut through a lot of the red tape and it doesn't have to be a hassle and a headache.
Let's also talk about what it's really like to work with Ideal Home Loans. For our viewers watching right now, what can they expect if they were to call right now?
Yeah, I think the thing that most people are surprised by when they call is the first thing you're going to hear from our salary-based lending specialist is, what is it you're trying to accomplish? So often professionals in this industry just start telling the consumer what to do, and that's really short-sighted. And here's why. If we know what your short-term and your long-term plans are, we can actually put together a mortgage that works for you rather than just you working to make your mortgage payment each and every month. We can actually put you in a home loan that's a solution, not just a way for you to finance your home.
Well, you have lots of happy customers, and we're going to hear from one of them now.
I was referred to Ideal Home Loans, and I did a new purchase with them, and I'm so glad that I was referred to them because they made the loan process so easy with their online platform. I would absolutely go with Ideal Home Loans again and would refer them to all my friends and family.
All right, Brent, a lot of people, they're getting some shorter term mortgages. Can you explain a little bit about how those work and some of the advantages?
Yeah, for sure. You see a lot of people right now going to a 15-year loan. So they're getting out of that long-term 30-year mortgage and stepping into a shorter-term home loan. And the reason they're doing so is rates on these products are so cheap that a number of people are finding they can get into a shorter-term home loan, pay their house off more quickly, and not spend a whole lot more every month than they are in their current 30-year mortgage today. It's a function of interest rates and a function of how low 15-year rates are right now. Take advantage. It is the best way to get ahead. Pay your house off as quickly as possible and pay as little interest as possible as well.
I know there's a lot of people right now who want to refinance, but they don't want to have to start over in a whole new loan. Do they have to do that?
They don't. This is our custom term mortgage. So the last time we saw record low rates was in 2016. And we had a lot of our clients who contacted us then that wanted to take advantage of rates, but they were worried about adding years back onto their home loan. And so that's really where our custom term mortgage was born. Gone are the days where refinancing means you have to start over on a brand new mortgage and reset the clock. You can take the progress you've made on your existing home loan onto your next mortgage. And so the good thing is you get the benefit of lower interest rates and lower payments, but you're still paying your house off as scheduled originally, all thanks to our custom term mortgage.
Now, I was having this discussion the other day with the girlfriend who said that if the rates don't drop more than a point or at least a point, then it's really not worth refinancing. And I said, hey, I know that's not true because I talked to Brent Ivinson, right?
You're right. You're absolutely right. And this is one of the biggest misnomers we hear out there. You really have to look at the math. That used to be a standard rule of thumb back when mortgage balances were $100,000 and $200,000. Now you routinely see $400,000 and $500,000 outstanding home loan balances. The math tells the story. Talk to one of our salary-based lending specialists. They can run the numbers and tell you if it makes sense, and you'd be surprised. We have so many people saving $300 and $400 a month just because of how low rates are right now.
Brent, always good info. Start saving and manage debt with these low interest rates by calling 303-867-7000 to schedule your free mortgage consultation or to start your refinance process. Your first new payment is not due until November. So learn more online at idealhomeloans.com. They paid for today's segment.